Oh my gosh, it feels like slime. Oh my god. Guys, this is Pedro. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super fun activity that my tatay taught me. So the other night, tatay accidentally ripped Andres' diaper.
Oh no!
So the next day, he taught me how to do this fun activity. As you can see, my brother is not here because the first time we tried this, he shuddered like that. He ran outside. This activity is bound to be messy, so you can wear an apron or an old shirt that you don't wear anymore. Here are the materials you need are diaper or whatever diaper, some scissors, water, or if you want it fancy, you can make colored water. These are the colored water we have. Purple, green, yellow, orange, and last but not least, red. So let's get started. If you want your diaper flat, remove any of the elastic. You can use your kiddie scissors or school scissors. You shouldn't use adult scissors yet because you might cut your finger. You can do it yourself or you can ask your mommy or daddy to help you. So this is the cut diaper. Well, it's not really perfect, but the only thing we need is the inside, the bottom inside the diaper. Do my fingers, but that's okay. We can wash later. Let's go to orange, the second color. So when you're done putting all the colors, you can ask your parents to help you cut open your diaper with colors. Or if you know already how to cut the sides, and then we'll reveal the squishies.
Da-da-da!
Wow! Ah, it's so squishy! It's super mushy. Yes. It is so squishy. I like it. Squishy, mushy, goo. If you want the gel squishier, add plain water. If you like slime, you're gonna love this. Yes, let's get squishing!
Yes, let's get squishy!
Oh my gosh, it feels like slime! Oh my god! I've been waiting for this moment. Ah, it actually feels so satisfying for me. Whoosh. Mushy, mushy. I'm more squishy. Finish all the colors. I want to go crazy. You can do this before taking a bath or ask your parents first, because they might not like the mess. Ah! See, I told you it was gonna happen. Now let's purple. Purple, purple, purple. Everywhere, purple. So squishy. I'm gonna remove it all from the diaper now. There we go. What? You are? Nana is gonna make me totally clean this all up later.
Oh no!
Come Use for like that. Just stand beside me. Oh, it's really brown. But the finish are the colors. Color. Ah! I'm gonna be pouring all of this. This is gonna be so. It feels like mud. This is cute, so mushy. Why don't you touch this? It's like slime. It's mud. Mud. Whoa, look at that. Tatay said this is gel, but it really feels like it's a mud pot. But it's not the kind of gel you put in your hair. It's diaper gel. So this is what happens when your diaper gets wet.
Ow!
This is what happens when you mix all the colors together, and this is our used diaper. What? Just touch it like this. No. So, if you don't want your gel to be black, you can just use plain oil. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you like this activity. Please like and share to your friends, and especially Huggies. Thank you very much. Bye! Woo! Come here, Ty, please. Come on. Let's play with the gel. Wow! Please put this in the vlog. Please like and subscribe. And share to your friends. I'm gonna smile. What do you say to this?
You wanna join ate?
Just step on it. This is the jar of your pan. Yellow. It's for cheese whiz. And it also came from cheese whiz. So this is for Huggies. If you wanna sponsor us, that's great. Huggies, if you'd like to sponsor us, we'd love that. My brother's size of diaper is XL.